Do I want you talking or do I want you listening? Okay, so that was part 2 of the behavior management program, and part 2 is called the pre-frame. So a pre-frame is an over-the-top obnoxious hint as what you want the child or the adult to do without telling them. So when people are talking in my workshops, my expectation is people are talking. It's not a negative, it's not a positive, but if I want to get people's attention, I'm not going to excuse me, none of that works. So all I need to do is, like, if I walk into a group of your kids and I go, I like the way you're sitting crisscross. There's nobody sitting crisscross. And I go to all these kids. I like the way you're sitting crisscross. I like the way what happens to all the kids? Yeah, because you actually clearly communicated what you wanted the kids to do instead of all this hinting stuff that you do. Right? And you know who I'm talking about. Because there's certain people that do a lot of hinting, and then there's a certain other gender that doesn't get hints, and when we don't understand what you're talking about, because you haven't asked us directly, whose fault is it? Of course, yeah, because I'm a guy. Get ready. Yeah. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.